A minimalist kitchen is a kitchen pared down to the essentials, to everything from the ingredients, to the tools, even to the cooking techniques. This philosophy touches everything from shopping, to meal planning, even to maintaining your pantry. To solve a lot of problems in my pantry, I found these OXO pop containers. They're clear, so that I knew what needed restocking when I went to the store. They come in different sizes, and the best thing of all is they actually keep your food fresh. Meal planning saves me. I kind of shop my fridge to see what's left over from the week before. I take inspiration there. One thing I like to practice is making a list and shopping from the list. I always tell people, shop the list, not the store. This will make you an efficient shopper. It will also cut down on food waste. My pantry dough bites show the magic of a well-stocked kitchen. You don't even have to think about it. Everything is in your pantry. Cooking in a kitchen like that has brought so much joy in my life, and because of that, I think it will change the way that you use your kitchen.